Yo guys, welcome to a video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to add this little watermark in the bottom right of all your videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
So what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube Studio. You can either click it on here, or you can go click on your profile, go down to YouTube Studio. Now it takes a little while to load up. And now once you've loaded up YouTube Studio, you want to go down to click on Settings. Once you've clicked on Settings, what you want to go to click on to is Channels. Well, Channel. And once you've done here, you want to click on Branding. Now, the display time is up to you. So this, we can now remove or replace this. And we can either have it as end of video, so it will only show in the end of the video. Or it'll have a custom start time, which will just be 5 seconds and it will disappear again. Or you can have it on the entire video. This is what you guys will see. So you have to have it 100 by 50 by 150, and it has to be 1 megabyte or less. So now you click on choose image. Now we're going to click on this one and I'll open that. Now that is done. And that's all you need to know about having a little trademark in the bottom right. I hope this helped you out. If you guys want to see any more YouTube tips on how to expand your YouTube channel, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please do leave a thumbs up and do also subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Spaggy out.